from Studio 1 and 2 on Rogers Community 10 to the city of Toronto and beyond. It's Humble and Fred's first ever network cable special. Featuring Corky and the Juice Pigs, TV tri-bonding, Mr. Goohead, sumo wrestling, way cool videos, loads of bad dancing, a bad dance contest, and prizes for the worst dancer. Also, Mel Ashman's used thermos, a Sex with Sue mug, and the world television premiere of Hey Mon Hey. It's Humble and Fred's first ever network cable special. And now stand by. Here's two men who, as you'll soon see, have the perfect faces for radio. It's Humble and Fred.
Humble and Fred.
Isn't it nice to see everyone?
You're embarrassing us. We really hate that. Welcome to Humble and Fred's first ever network cable special.
And can you believe it, Humble? All the anticipation, the big day is finally here.
Well, as you heard, we have a great show for you. We know you're
What do we do now?
Oh,
what do we do now that we're here?
we actually have to do the show.
Oh, okay.
We actually have to get on with it.
Okay.
We promoted it as much as we can. It's here.
Oh, boy.
We have a pretty special show with some pretty special prizes.
Yes, we do. You know, we have Mel Lastman's crud-infested thermos.
Now, this has been, by the way, authenticated as authentic Pride of North York Mel Spit.
We have some lovely baked beans, some Beano, a Beano prize pack featuring a Beano windbreaker. Get it? Windbreaker.